Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathaniel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are old here, thank you very much. I want to wish you a happy new year. I know it's been a while I've been here, but I'm back now. I've been very busy. So today I'll be sharing with you this beautiful wedding flyer that I created last year. So I'll be sharing the PSD file. You can click on the download link below so as to get it, but you will have to watch this video to the end for you to get the password. The password is there. So without further ado, this is the flyer. It's a very simple flyer. Excuse me. It's a very simple flyer that you can do on your own. As you can see, everything is here. From the background, actually make two background but you can change the background to whatever you like, however you like it. So this is the background. These are the effects I use just to boost the background. Okay, so and these are the pictures, so you can change them to whatever you like. Please, if you are watching and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Let's make this channel grow. We are here to stay. Please subscribe. As you can see, everything is here, everything that you need to make a replica of this flyer is there. You can see them. This is going to be a very short video, so please don't skip. Do not skip. I still have other flyers to share on this channel. So as you can see, it's a very simple one. Just the background, the pictures, then this frame. I downloaded them online. I downloaded them, I think, on I've forgotten the name of that site. It is not Google, I don't know, I'm not sure it's from Google, but I downloaded them online. Then what else do you need? I think basically this is a very simple flyer. It's a very simple flyer. It shouldn't take you an hour. So but for the benefits of those who are just learning Photoshop, as you can see, I'm just switching off the pictures so that you can see how I come up with this. These are the frame. Everything is there. Don't worry, the password is in the video, so you have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about at all. So like I said, it's a very short video. Please, if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Don't worry, very soon I can promise you that another flyer is coming, and it's going to be free. So after I made everything, I'll just boost the picture to do a little bit of color grading. You pressed Shift, Control, Alt and E to make this picture. That was what I did actually. Okay, let me press it so you can see. So to make the picture, I press Shift, Control, Alt, so E. Then after that, then you right click it and convert it to a smart object. The reason why you need to convert it is so that when you want to color grade and then you see that okay, this thing is not looking good enough or something, you'll be able to go back and edit it, so you won't start your work all over again. I mean the color grading. So as it is now, because I've done the color grade, can easily copy my settings from here, but I will show you the settings I did, so that if you want to change your, I have so many load on it, so sorry. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. So as you see, it's before and after. Now let me open the camera raw filter itself, so that you can see the little things I did there. Sorry, my system is taking time to load. Sorry about that. Because you may need to do it on all of your work. I mean, after you design any flyer, you may need to replicate this, so that it will boost the color of your design. That's the essence. It is not you can just, if you see that your work is fine the way it is, you can just export out. That's all. But if you feel like, okay, let me still boost the color a little to make it more catchy, you can do this. Just the simple settings I did. These are the simple settings I did. So there's nothing special there. You can do your own. You are free, depending on the picture that you put. If the pictures are not too clear, definitely you need the camera raw after everything. If the pictures are very, very okay, you might not need it. You might just need a little bit of touches. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, everything is there. Everything is there. Everything is. Watch the video to the end to get the password. Watch the video to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.